Ninth class. Today our topic is about cache memory. In last lecture we have done about the types of memory, RAM and ROM. Cache is also a type of memory that is fastest memory. And here you have to write a question, define cache. Then you have to write about the two paragraphs, and there is a block diagram of this cache memory. Cache is a very small amount of extremely fast memory that is inside the microprocessor or on the motherboard. It is faster and more expensive than RAM. It stores information that is most frequently used by the computer. The purpose of using cache is to improve the processing speed of the computer. So why we are using this cache memory? Because it's the fastest memory, and it stores the data and that is frequently used by the computer, and that increases the processing speed of the computer. That's why we are using this cache memory. Then we have three types of cache memory: level 1, level 2 and level 3. L1, L2 and L3. L1 is built inside the microprocessor, and whereas L2 and L3 are on the motherboard. L1, that is inside the microprocessor, is faster than L2 and L3. Now look at this diagram. Here we have L1, L2, L3 and main memory, that is RAM. This L1 is inside the microprocessor, L2 and L3 is on the motherboard. This L1 is faster than L2 and L3. So, and then next we have the main memory here. Next we have ports, expansion slots and expansion cards. Port is an interface for connecting various devices to the system unit. These are located on the motherboard and are usually seen at the back of the system unit. There are various types of ports for connecting keyboard, mouse, monitor, microphone, speakers and other input-output devices. The ports on the motherboard are shown here. These are the ports that are used for connecting different devices. Here we have dual link DVI. Then we have display port, HDMI, and different. Before this, we have these types of ports that are used for keyboard and mouse. These were PS2. And now we are USB ports that are used for mouse and keyboard, LAN for local area network, VGA ports for keyboard, for mouse, for monitor. These all ports are available. They are at the back of the system unit. And they are located on the motherboard, and they are used for connecting different devices to the system unit. Means with the help of these ports we can connect the devices to the system unit. Then we have two types, serial ports and parallel ports. These are the two types of ports. In modern computer, USB universal serial bus, HDMI high definition multimedia interface, digital visual interface that is used for connecting the TV. For connecting TV we use DVI, that is used for the video. Audio and local area network ports are used for connecting various devices to the computer. These devices includes digital camera, scanner, printer, external hard disk or DVD writer and USB. Means we have these all the ports that are available at the back of the system unit. And HDMI, that is also used for audio, video and TV cables. So these all the devices, printer, scanner, hard disk, DVD, USB, these all the devices are connected with these ports, and they are used to connect the devices to the system.